Ever wonder if your Galaxy S25 Ultra can turn your ideas into Webtoon-style art automatically? With S Pen drawing assist, you can type what you want, choose an effect, and let your phone generate the artwork for you. Today, we will try it with a simple idea, a cat sitting on a windowsill. To do so, remove your S Pen to open up the art command menu. Then tap Drawing Assist. Now, type the text to image field. Write your idea here. I will type a cat sitting on a windowsill. Then tap Done. Next, choose the Webtoon effect. Now, tap Generate and let the phone draw it for you. When the artwork is finished, you will see some useful icon at the top side. You can copy it, share it, download it, or even make it a sticker. For this time, tap the download icon to save it to your gallery. And that's it. You have just created Webtoon style artwork from a simple text prompt using the S Pen on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. It's easy, fun, and perfect for quick creative ideas. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.